In this video, we'll show you how to use the Frenzy 1x22x32 red dot sight. The package includes a cleaning cloth, a hex wrench, the Frenzy 1x22x32, a lifetime warranty card, a multifunctional wrench, screws, and an instruction manual. The illumination button powers the sight on and off and adjusts brightness. The quick-detach system allows for easy rail mounting. The windage knob adjusts it left and right. The battery compartment is located here. Be sure to insert the battery with the correct polarity. The Picatinny base knob secures the sight to the rail. The elevation knob moves the reticle up and down. The motion sensor activates the sight instantly when movement is detected. Fire multiple shots to check the point of impact. Adjust the point of aim to match the point of impact using the elevation and windage knobs. Keep in mind that adjustment markings may differ between models. After zeroing at 50 yards, the bullet will drop at longer distances. Short press the plus button to increase brightness and the minus button to dim it. Short press the minus button to switch to the lowest night vision setting. Use the plus button to adjust brightness. Long press the minus button to turn it off. Loosen the battery compartment using the wrench. Insert a new battery, ensuring the correct polarity, and secure the cap. Loosen the Picatinny knob with a multifunctional wrench. Push the slide button to mount the sight onto the rail. Then tighten the knob securely. To remove the quick detach mount, unscrew the screws. The red dot uses a GN footprint. Install an adapter with screws if needed. Note that the adapter is not included in the box. Finally, mount the red dot securely.